Hello all, I am Dr. Deepak, Department of Business Administration. Today I am going to talk about the modern or innovative promotional efforts taken by the corporates. Normally corporate takes the conventional kind of efforts, like giving promotional efforts, like giving free samples, probably free discounts in price, or extra in quantity, or through advertising these things. I mean, what is free discount or price discount? These things can be advertised. So these are the conventional kind of promotional efforts. But what corporates are taking today is our modern and innovative promotional efforts. So we should try to understand one thing: what is the core phenomena lies in promotional efforts. If you take the price discount, the major element is price, giving some discounts in price. Probably the 100 rupees worth of pack can be given at the rate of 98, 2 rupees discount, and probably quantity discount, maybe 20% extra or 10% extra. Normally the confectionaries used to have these kind of things. The biscuits and smaller kind of packs used to have the quantity discount. So these are all the classical or conventional kind of promotional effort. But in this, the major element of promotional effort is probably price or the quantity. So only these two things. But what corporates are really taking in modern efforts or innovative efforts, what is the element is lying over there? We have to have a microscopic way in this, microscopic approach in this. See, the beautiful element which the corporate has taken now is the cost. It's especially a country like India, a developing nations, has a predominant causes. There are, many kind of causes prevailing over here. So we have to, the corporates are trying to address those causes. One thing, how these corporates are linking those causes and product and their brand and their promotional effort, another side policy and strategy. It's actually an ambiguous thing, highly ambiguous thing. But how strategically they are doing this, that is what we are going to see today. Let me start with where it is really started. In the year of 1987, there is a company called as American Express Company, which is basically served in financial services industry, which exists in America, US. Right? What they did? They have announced two things. One is, they will be donating a penny when their consumers or the customers use their product. For example, they sold their card to the people. Normally, now the India is into the digital age. But the developed nation like US and all, very long back itself, they are trying to avoid carrying cash or to avoid cash transactions. So for each and everything, they used to have a card for telecom, for petrol, for filling the fuel, for everything they used to have a card. So a lot of financial services companies were existing and they are promoting their cards. So American Express Company is one kind of a company which is into financial service industry. So they sold card to their people, and whoever bought their card, the customers, when they use their card, they used to donate. American Express Company used to donate a penny for particular cause. This is the thing they have taken. What is that cause? Again, the amazing story. You know the famous Statue of Independence, which is in US. The American government have an idea to renovate the statue, right? So they decided, let us invest some amount for renovate and restoration of this initiative, and not only the government, let public also, let corporate also contribute some kind of money into this, so that it can be done nicely, and other side it helps to have a social responsibility to the corporate as well as social responsibility to the public. So in that thought, the government announced, let public and corporate contribute for this, government also contribute, let us renovate this. So in this juncture, American Express company announced this. What they decided, when our customers use the card, will be paying 1 penny for the restoration of Statue of Independence. The Statue of Liberty going to get renovated, and American Express company is going to pay a penny for each use of their customers, each use of their cards, $1 for each new card sold to the customers. The second promise given by the American Express company is $1. They will be giving $1 to the initiative of renovation of Statue of Liberty. So American Express company have given 2 promises. One is $1 donation and another one is a penny donation, right? So the government have started to renovate the things, alright? Public also contributed, the companies, corporates like American Express company also contributing things. So government have built up, alright? The strategic approach here is they have taken a cause which is in current, which is hot actually. So they have contributed for it. Then finally, what happened to the American Express company? The results are quite amazing. The number of transactions rose to 28%. So American Express company promised that each and every transaction done by our consumers using card will be paid a penny for the project, which has been taken by US government, like restoration of Statue of Liberty. So what happened is 28% improvement in the usage of card. That's not a normal thing. The number of card members, the new card sold by American Express company have raised up to 45% compared to the last month's sale. The total amount donated by American Express company is $1.7 million. See, is this $1.7 million paid by American Express company? No, of course no. Because when the customers do transaction, they'll pay a penny to this project. When the customer buy the new card, they'll pay $1 to this project. If not, they are not going to pay anything, right? So actually it is a promotional effort, the other side. So they have taken a cause which is in current scenario and which is hot actually. So the government is into the process of renovating the Statue of Liberty. The other side, American Express company used the cause for their promotion. So you see, the project was run by them only for 3 months of period, 3 months period of time. So within 3 months, improving the usage into 28% than the older one, and improving the sales of 45% compared to the older one is really amazing result. And within 3 months of time, a public cause getting $1.7 million of donation also is a big thing. So how society get benefits, How the corporate get benefits, how the customers get benefits. It is actually a model, right? So in this way, the modern promotional efforts are little unique and different one, and corporates are moving from the traditional way of promoting things to modern and innovative and strategic way of promotions. What is the name of this modern kind of promotional effort is cause related marketing or cause based marketing, social marketing. So social based marketing, these are all the terminologies obtained and used by the people. But actually, what is the correct usage of these modern promotional effort is cause related marketing. The cause related marketing definition or the terminology coined by the researchers Varadarajan and Menon in the year 1988. So what is the terminology coined for this modern promotional effort is cause related marketing. In other way, people used to call cause based marketing or cause linked marketing or social based marketing, social marketing also sometimes. So what is the right usage of this terminology is cause related marketing. Why I am saying this? Because it is research proven one. In the year 1988, the researchers, management contributors basically, Varadarajan and Menon coined the terminology cause related marketing. Okay, so what is this cause related marketing? What is the actual definition given by them is giving a percentage for every single transaction when someone makes a purchase. So for example, as I said earlier, when someone use the card of American Express company, the customers, when they use the card, the American Express company will be donating a penny to this project. And when the company sold the new card, at that point of time only company will be giving $1 for this cost. And they don't give if they don't sell any cards to anyone. If the customers are not using their cards for transaction, and they don't give any penny to this particular cost. So it is purely when someone makes a purchase, giving a proportion or percentage of contribution from that. Alright, so this is the actual and actual acronym terminology for this CRM, cause related marketing. Okay, thank you so much.